CEMBRE Thermal Transfer Printer. Replacing the printer ribbon. Flashing alarm LED and one bleep signals attention to the ribbon is required. Remove the template from the carriage. Press the blue button to close the carriage. Power down the printer. Remove the lid. Rotate the media guide completely downwards. Pull the ribbon take-up spool upwards to remove it. Cut across to detach, then discard the used ribbon. Pull the ribbon feed spool upwards to remove it and the cut tail of used ribbon. Detach the used ribbon tail from the cardboard core and slide it off the spool. Reuse the cardboard core by sliding it onto the take-up spool. Relocate the take-up spool firmly in its seat. Load a new ribbon onto the feed spool, noting the correct orientation of the spool with regard to the ribbon path graphic. Start to feed the ribbon, then relocate the spool firmly in its seat. Following the ribbon path graphic, feed the clear lead section and/or ribbon through the printer, behind the media guide and over the upper guide roller. Ensure the ribbon is square to the take-up spool and attach the end to the cardboard core with the adhesive lead strip or tape. Remove the loaded take-up spool again and, carefully keeping everything square, wind on a few turns of ribbon, then relocate the spool firmly in its seat. Rotate the media guide completely upwards in front of the ribbon, replace the lid, and power up the printer.